Now, there continues to be many moving parts to this story. And for the latest, let's bring in our own Julia Boorstin. Julia.
Well, Deirdre, there's growing concern about misinformation and hate speech on Twitter since Elon Musk took over after reports of a spike in racist posts on the platform. On Sunday, Musk himself spread misinformation. He tweeted out a link to an anti-LGBTQ conspiracy theory about the attack on Nancy Pelosi's husband. He deleted the post, which fact-checkers called fake and defamatory, but after it had drawn more than 86,000 likes and 24,000 retweets on the platform. GM, a major advertiser, has said it's suspending advertising as it evaluates Twitter's new direction. So the question now is whether Musk's looser content moderation policies alienate advertisers, users, and potentially draw a crackdown from the EU, which has stricter laws about offensive content than we have here in the U.S. And then there's the question of employee retention. Elon Musk addressed a report that he could start firing employees before November 1st. That's when employees are set to get stock grants that vest that day. That's tomorrow. Now, he tweeted in response to an article about this saying this is false. Now, of course, we are waiting to see what changes Elon Musk makes to Twitter's platform. Musk tweeted out, quote, whole verification process is being revamped right now. He's reportedly looking to make users subscribe to Twitter Blue for as much as $20 per month in order for them to be verified. Twitter Blue currently costs $5 per month, and verification currently costs nothing. Carl?
Julia, while we got you, I want to get you on Roku today. Wedbush does trim their target to 75, but Citi, with this positive catalyst watch on the stock ahead of earnings on Wednesday, they say Roku could bring in a top-line beat 20% ahead of estimates.
Well, Carl, I also have to point out that Wells Fargo warns that there's another risky print ahead. So the question is if Roku is really indicative of the health of the streaming market and the health of how much these streaming platforms want to pay for advertising, as well as its own streaming ad business, that might be a good indicator of how they're going to perform. But also just take a look at Roku shares. The stock is off so dramatically. I think investors are trying to figure out whether this is a bottom or whether it has more room to fall. But sort of mixed messages today from Wells Fargo, along with that Citi note.
Yeah, more than 75% year to date. Julia, thank you very much. Julia Boorstin.